copycat. No, don't be a copycat. Nah, say don't be.
What's up guys, in this video let's unbox and check out the structural strength of Xiaomi's latest budget release, the Redmi 5. Rubbing it with the box cutter and common household items found in pockets like keys and coins. Unfortunately, it did get 3 faint but permanent scratches due to the coin and key. So it is always a good idea to use protection even if your phone has Gorilla Glass protection on it. Now moving on to the bend test on this slim and light metal and plastic build. Let's hope it's not a disaster like the weak plastic Honor 9 Lite which ended up with a broken mid-frame. As I had expected and feared initially, the weak plastic mid-frame and the thin sheet of metal at the back does not really help in the structural integrity of the Redmi 5. There were massive kinks and waves near the power keys when pressing from the display side, which eventually ended up with a broken and compromised mid-frame. The Redmi 5A, if you can remember, also bent a lot but never got damaged. So it makes the Redmi 5 the weakest Redmi device since the Redmi Note 3. Until now, the Redmi Note 5 though has emerged as the strongest Xiaomi device this year. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff, bend tests and reviews. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.